Hey, what's up everybody? 2020 Toyota RAV4. I'm going to show you to reset the maintenance light. So first, if yours is a push button, you're going to push the button to go to accessories. If yours is a key, we'll put the key in and just turn it to accessories. Okay, we're going to be using these arrow buttons right here, the back button and the OK button. So I'm going to go ahead and get close to the dash, but when I say the arrows are up, down, I'm referring to these right here, okay? Okay, go ahead and hit the return button, and then you should have this menu. Push the right arrow and go to the gear, which is right here. We'll just go to the gear, and then we're going to go down to vehicle settings, push and hold OK, and then scheduled maintenance. Says push OK to reset. We're going to push OK. It'll say, hey, you want to reset? Push up to yes, reset complete, and that's it. And we can just go back. And there you go, you're back at the menu.